Hey guys, welcome to a new video. So today in this video, I am here with a site where you can earn USDT very easily. So in my wallet, you can see I have 48 USDT. So now I will show you that how you can earn USDT from this website very easily. So before that guys, I have provided the link of this website in description. Simply check out that and just enter your email and password to register here. So let me show you. Let me sign out from the website. Okay, so yeah, this is the dashboard of the website. You will see this me section. After here, you just have to click on the sign up button, enter your email here and enter your password here and re-enter your password here. After that, I will just enter my email and password here. Okay, so yeah, let me enter my email. Okay guys, I have entered it and I will simply click on the sign in button. After that, I will click on this save and yeah, I know. And yeah, you can see I have 48 USDT in my balance. So in the VIP section also, I have purchased the VIP 1 plan which cost me around 18 USDT. Okay, so now I will show you that how I can earn just by investing 18 USDT. Every day I will get 3.60 USDT very easily. And also guys, you can see the total profit is 216 USDT. Means you will withdraw 3.6 USDT until you complete your 216 USDT from here. Okay, so you just have to complete this task on this to complete button. After clicking here, you will see this loading page. So it will remain for 1 to 2 seconds and yeah, it will now complete. Okay, so the task that is when here in progress, it is now completed and you will see that task here. So you can see that I have earned 3.60 USDT in my wallet. So the previous balance was 48 USDT, but now it is 51.60 USDT. I will click on this withdraw button and I just have to enter the amount of withdrawal. Okay, so let me enter it 3.60 USDT and yeah, I will enter my password here and my Tron address here. So let me enter it. Okay, let me enter my password here. Yeah, I have entered it and I will click on this confirm button. So you can see guys, my withdrawal has been successfully placed and now I will show you a magic here. So I don't know whether I will receive it or not, but yeah, in my balance you can see I have 184 USDT now. So let me refresh my page again and again. Okay, yeah, it will take some time, 2 to 3 minutes to receive it in your wallet. Okay, so yeah, let me refresh my page again. Okay guys, it hadn't been received. Okay, so I have to wait for a few seconds. Okay, few minutes. So as soon as I receive that balance, I will let you know. In my wallet now I have 188.07432 USDT, and here you can see that I have received 3.6 USDT today only. Okay, so guys, it means they are paying to every user. Okay, so now I will show you that how you can get that task option in this place. Okay, so yeah, first of all, you will see this VIP section guys below. So there is a VIP section 1, VIP section 2 and VIP section 3. And yeah, I will tell you a plan where you can recover all your money in just few days. Okay, so now let's just talk about the plan. And the VIP 2 is here guys. Okay, let me show you. The VIP 2 is here. Here you just have to invest 88 USDT on this plan to start your earning. So let me show you how you can earn. Okay, so if you're investing 88 USDT, you will receive 14 USDT every day until you complete 840 USDT. So guys, let's take an example. If you're investing 88 USDT on this platform, so you will get 14 USDT every day. So let's calculate in how many days you will recover all your money. So 88 divided by 18 is equals to 4 days. Okay, sorry, 88 divided by 14 is equals to 6 days guys. So in just 6 days you will recover all your money and you will be in the profit after 6 days. Okay, and in the VIP section 3 also you can find, you just have to invest few amounts to 180 USDT and just minus 30 USDT in this balance. Okay, because you will get 30 USDT for absolutely free on this website. So if I deduct 218, if I deducted 30 from this, I have to pay 188 USDT. Okay, so yeah, you just have to pay 188 USDT. In the VIP section also, you will find that I have to deposit only 18 USDT. Okay, and in VIP 4 plan you can see the price is 418 USDT, but I only have to pay 388 USDT. So like this only guys, you have to pay. And there are many plans, you can check out that. VIP 6 is of 1618 USDT, and I will receive 283 USDT, and my total profit would be 16980 USDT. In VIP 7 I have to invest 2888 USDT, and my total profit would be 31500 USDT, and daily I will get 525 USDT. So like this guys, the plan goes on, and the VIP 9 is of 8888 USDT. You will every day receive 1676 USDT. Okay, and the total profit would be 100k. Okay, 100.5k USDT you will receive. In the last plan guys, if you deposited 18888 USDT, then you can earn 3777 USDT every day. Okay, and until you get 226620 USD total. So yeah, this is the best site where you can earn huge income from this site. So now I will show you a method where you can earn absolutely free guys. Okay, absolutely free. And so the team section is also here. In the team section you will find a page. Okay, this is the page, and this is your referral link guys. You have to copy this, and if you share this with your friends, then you can earn huge income guys. So let me show you how much you can earn. So for example, take an example, if your friend deposited 100 USDT directly from your link, so you will get 10 USDT from it. Okay, and 10 USDT matters guys. Okay, and if your friend deposited 10,000 USDT, you will get 100 USDT from that website. And for example, if your friend shared that link someone with your friend, okay, someone with his friend, then you will get 2% of it. So the level 2 commission is of 2%, and like that only the level 3 is of 1%. But if someone directly deposited using your link, you will get 10% of their commission, okay, of their deposits. So just copy this link and share this with your friend, and you will find all your team size here, and the total amount that your team has been recharged here, total withdraw will be here. So this is the free section guys. You can earn absolutely free on this website, and you can withdraw anytime you want. Okay, so yeah, this is the best platform that I have found, and I have already deposited on this platform. You can see in the VIP section I have already deposited $18. So like that only you can deposit, and you can also earn best rebates from this website very easily. So yeah, and I am not a financial advisor guys, so I will tell you that only risk amount that you can risk to lose. Okay, so yeah, but this is a new site, so you can trust this site, and you can start depositing on this website very easily. And yeah, there is low risk because this is new site, so you will get paid all your investment. So like this only, and I will recommend you a plan. If you are going to invest on this website, then invest on 218 USDT, because this is the best plan. You will get 31 USDT every day, and this is not a huge amount for everybody. Okay, this is the best amount you can invest on. So yeah guys, this much for this video, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, press the like button, hit the subscribe button, and yeah, just go on the team section and you can start earning for absolutely free on this website, and you can earn huge USDT from this website very easily. So now I will see you in the next video. If you like the video guys, press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and enjoy the earning.